Hello, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn about how you can install Windows 11 in Hyper-V Infra. So let's get started. I log in into Hyper-V Manager. Now right click here, go to the new virtual machine, click here and name your the name whatever you want, name Win 11 hyphen test. I can give it name. Now go to where you want to store your drive, the data. So I need to go here. I have created in a D drive. I created a folder that's called video testing and select that folder. Now go to next, select the generation 1, go next, and here allocate it your RAM, how much RAM you want to allocate, and go to the next, select your connector. It will be a default switch. Now go to the hard disk size, how much you need it. So I need just only the 100 GB allocated to this Windows. Go to next and just tag your add your Windows 11 ISO. So it's my the Windows 11 ISO. Just double click and open this. Now click on next and now finish. So now we did this configuration and now we need to customize something. Before make it start installation, go to the setting, and here you need to go to the checkpoint first, uncheck this checkpoint. And the one more thing about the processor, you need to increase the processor count, or else your this Windows installation will fail. So these are the two things you need it mandatory in the Hyper-V, and there is a other two prerequisite that will bypass during the installation. So let's click apply, okay, and now click on connect, and now just start. So now our Windows installation will start. Now go to click on next, install. Okay, so now select your the operating system name which you want to install, click on next. Yeah, so I was expecting this error. I create a one more video to show you how you can fix it, but let me fix it right away. regedit, and now here will be a system and the setup, and you need to create a key here that is called lab config, and inside that you need a dword value 32, and you need to bypass your the secure boot. So bypass secure boot check, and value will be 1. Now the another key you need it, that is for the TPM. So it's a bypass TPM check check. That's all. So two things are mandatory. If you have less than 8 GB RAM, you need to create a or one more that called as like bypass RAM. So it's a bypass RAM check. You need that value if you have less than 8 GB, but I have allocated the 8 GB, so it should not be a problem. I need to make it 1. So all these value are 1, and now just close it, close this, and go to back, and I'll just give it a try now. So now we are good with the installation, and let's click on next. Let's no need to upgrade, let's go to the custom. And if you need to like uh, create a division for this drive, so you can give anything whatever you want, like multiply 140. So uh, it will be like, let me give the 50 GB here. So I'm giving here hard disk 51200 MB, and let me apply. Okay, so it's exact the 50 GB. and now this is unallocated space. Click on new, and now select this partition, click on next. So I divided this 100 GB into two 50 GB two files, and now this OS is getting installed. So it will take some time. Let's wait for the some time, at least 10-15 minutes it will take to load this OS, and then uh, we are good with this installation. So let's wait for some time. So now you can see in it's a 31% is done, and let's wait for some time to complete this installation. So now this file getting ready is done, installation features is done, and now it's a next step is installing updates, and now we are almost done. It's finishing up. So now let's reboot the device, and then you can click or it will reboot automatically in 5-6 seconds. So let's reboot it automatically. So now might it ask for press any key, but you do not require to press any key, or else the installation again it will start. Now just let's wait for the next screen. So your OS is getting ready now. So let's wait for a couple of seconds. So now it's getting ready, and it will take at least 5-10 minutes to complete all these process, and then it will allow to create a username here. Okay, so we log in here, and now you need to check your religion, where you locate it. So it's US selected. Let me go to and search the India. So India is here. Oh, come on. CTGHI. It's India. Go to next. And it's the keyboard input US. And one to the secondary keyboard layout. No, just escape. And checking for the update. So let's wait if the Windows needed any update or not. If you have the internet connection, then it will check for the update. If not, it will skip this screen. So we are on the screen after that. Let's think to your work or school account, or you need to give your email ID. If you don't want to give, you can go to the sign in option, and you can give a sign with the secure key or the domain join instead. So if you click here to the domain join, it will ask to enter your the name, what you are used for. Enter your name. It's better than the online account. Let me go for the next one, and give it to the password here, and the password need to confirm here again. And here is a security key you want to give. So I'm giving APC, anything is fine. And you can choose your options, your answers to recover your the windows. So these passwords will will help you to recover this settings. So now this device will be like a locally joined. It will not be in a domain. It will not be a Microsoft account. So if I give in the Microsoft account, then directly it will tag tag to in that. So I don't want to give any of IDs to enroll it. Let's see what are the option will be there. So it's checking for the update now. So finally we done all these setups, and now the getting things ready for you. It will take just a few more minutes and your Windows will be ready. Okay, so our Windows installation is done. Now you can see in the screen and you will get a message like to connect the resolution. So if you click, then your the resolution also will change for your Hyper-V. So now it's connecting again, and you can see in its the resolution got changed. It should fit for my screen. Yeah, it almost fit. So now here your the Windows 11, the first look. Now let me enter the password, and now we are good with the installation. It's done. So just wait. So here is your Windows 11, how it looks like. It looks very pretty. So thank you guys. I will back soon in my the next video. I will show you how you can work on the Windows 11, how you can perform the actions, or what are the things you can perform in your Windows 11. So thank you guys. See you soon in my next video. Hope so you have learned it a lot from my video.